Hey guys, I just want to show you this awesome little camper right here. It's a 2004 Starcraft Travel Star. It's a 22 QB, 22 foot long, 32 foot rig. It's fiberglass on the outside. It's got a power tongue jack. It's got an awning up here. And it stretches the length of the camper here, guys. Okay, so right up here you've got your dinette. This makes into the queen bed, okay? Over here you've got your propane and electric refrigerator. There. TV goes up top. It's got an antenna. It's got heat, AC, full kitchen over here, and you've got stainless steel on this oven here. 3-burner stovetop. There's a nice little backsplash here. Stainless steel sink. 2 sink basin. Soap dispenser. It's got a stereo. Looks like a compact disc player up here, AM, FM as well. You've got microwave up here, lots of storage up here, along with another plug-in up inside of there. Let me show you the bathroom and bedroom area back here. Pretty cool little bedroom right here. You've got 4 bunk beds. You've got a nice arm wall with plenty of storage there. Everybody gets a window back here. Also some quick access for storage under here. And a couple of pull-out drawers here, and they'll come all the way out, and those are on a steel ball bearing glide system here. Now let me show you the bathroom. It is a full bathroom with a foot flush toilet. Nice faucet. You got a little sunlight there, give you some room for the tall guys. You got an exhaust fan here. You've got also a medicine cabinet here. Nice little shelving right there. And again, you've got heat, AC through the whole rig, guys. And if we can help you out, please give us a call. Thank you.